As far as economic society is concerned, unlike capitalism or socialism, the economic order of Islam is based on the principle that everything in this earth, everything in the universe belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is the owner of everything in the universe. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator, sustainer, cherisher, and the owner of everything that exists in this world and in the universe. Based on this principle, Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 33, that give in charity out of the means which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has provided you. It is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's wealth, and Allah has made us trustees. Allah is asking us to give out of the means that He has provided us. Allah repeats the message in Surah Hadith, chapter number 57, verse number 7, that give out of the sustenance which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made you a heir of. But Allah has given you the property, the sustenance, give out of that. So we as human beings are the trustees of vicegerent of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So it is the wealth of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's the reason we have to spend it and earn the wealth according to the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, since it belongs to Him.